Are you seeing the E106 error? Something went wrong on your Xbox? Don't worry, today I'll show you the quick and easy steps to fix this problem and get you back to gaming in no time. The E106 error usually means your Xbox system update got corrupted. The good news is it can be fixed without much effort. First, try a power cycle. Hold the power button on your Xbox for 10 seconds until it shuts down completely. Then plug the power cord, wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. Restart your console and check if the error is gone. If that doesn't work, let's open the Xbox Startup Troubleshooter. Turn off your console completely. Now press and hold the bind button left side and the eject button front. Then press the power button once. Keep holding until you hear two startup tones. Then release. You will now see the troubleshooter screen. On this menu, select Reset this Xbox. You will get two options: Keep games and apps. Safer, it just resets the system files. Or the second option is Remove everything. This will completely reset if the first option doesn't work. Try the first option first, then restart your Xbox. If the error still shows, you'll need to do an offline system update using a USB. Download the update file from the Xbox support site, copy it to a USB and select offline system update in the troubleshooter. And that's it, your Xbox should now be back to normal. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe and check out my other tutorial for fixing Xbox errors.